everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be planning in my Happy Planner classic size for August 24th through the 30th. And the inspiration for this week's theme is dogs, because Wednesday, August 26th is Dog Appreciation Day. And so it made me think about this Dachshund washi tape that I have, and I thought, you know what a perfect excuse to use this washi tape. I actually used to have a Dachshund. His name was Reggie. I actually had two. One that I grew up with named Frida. She was a short-haired black Dachshund. And then we had Reggie, who was wire-haired, black and brown. Well, I loved Frida because she was kind of one of the dogs that I grew up with. And Reggie, we got when I was in high school, and then I took ownership over after my mom passed away. So he was technically my mom's dog because I went off to college, and obviously couldn't take care of a pet. But he was really my mom's dog. But I think that he accepted me as his second mother when he came to live with me. Dachshunds have a lot of character and personality. I will have to do some internet research for some golden retriever washi tape so I can do a spread featuring my fur baby that I have now, Alton. Okay, let's see here. Let's put this little guy here to signify Dog Appreciation Day. My weekend box sticker, and then I looked for a quote sticker, and I thought about making up my own, something about dogs, but I didn't have time, so I found this love sticker, and I thought that it went well. Every time I think of doggies, I think of love, unconditional love. Love that they have for us, and love that we have for them. Got this banner sticker for the weekend, I think is super cute. And then, let's see, let's lay down some decorative stickers. Tried to find ones with kind of a similar color palette. Okay, there's some decorative stickers. I like this quote sticker. Life is better when you're laughing. And Reggie always certainly knew how to make me laugh. He was a silly boy. I've got some checklist here. We'll put one here. I think we'll put this here. We'll put this here. These are not Happy Planner stickers. These are stickers that I bought a while ago at Paper Source. Okay, so we have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Need something for Friday. It's Friday. Okay, let's add some more decorative accents. And then I think this will be done. I think I'm going to add some of these paw prints up along the top here. Let me know in the comments below if you have a puppy or a dog. Let's see what else. Anything I'm missing here? Kind of feel like there's a hole right here I want to fill with something. And love. And I don't know if you can tell, but that's a little doghouse. Let's put a little checklist here. And I'm going to put a little paw print here. So now I think that is going to do it for the spread. If you like this, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. I think it turned out pretty cute. Love my puppies. Tell me about what dogs you have. Tell me if you're going to do anything to celebrate National Dog Appreciation Day. I'm sure Alton is going to get an extra squeaky toy or two, although his birthday is coming up, so I can't spoil him too much. If you want to be notified of more content that I post, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Thanks. Bye.